Leo, hi. This is going to be a reading for November 30 to December 6. I will be looking at the recent past, the present, and the immediate future for you, your person, and for the connection. And then at the end of the reading, I will be pulling up a card for you from the angels and a message too. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it may not resonate for everybody. And also I will be referring to the first row, to the first column as your energies, and then the next will be for your person, and then the last will be for the connection. But energies are fluid, so they can reverse, so feel free to pick the side where you resonate most. Okay, let's start, Leo. Yeah, I'll go through it later. Okay. So in the recent past, we have the Five of Cups for your energy, the Tower for your person, and for the connection is Ace of Pentacles. I don't know what happened in the recent past, because the connection is showing a brand new beginning, a very stable brand new beginning is opening up for the connection. But you, at least you and your person were in the same boat, or were in the same page. You were feeling a lot of sadness. There was a lot of sadness in the recent past for you. There was a feeling of loss, of regret. And for your person, something has ended for your person. It was something that's really drastic and painful, and it it was really a shake up. But we'll clarify later. So, but I'm feeling I'm feeling the energy already. It's really so heavy. But in the current situation, for your energy, we have the Seven of Swords, the Page of Pentacles for your person, and the Magician for the connection. So someone or the both of you are manifesting in a manifestation mode. Or this could also be that the connection is ready for something, whatever you guys both want it to be, ready to go in a direction where you want to go, where you both want it to go. But in your energy, there is some kind of there's some kind of a deception here. You might be telling yourself something that's not true, or I don't know. This might be someone having doing something shady, or this might be you, or it could just simply be that you are not being true to yourself about something. For your person is the Page of Pentacles. They're working on bringing some stability to a situation by maybe apologizing, or I don't know, talking talking it out. In the immediate future, I see you working on something. Maybe this has something to do with your pentacles, with your money, with your financial stability. This could just be work. You're putting a lot of work into it. I mean, you're putting a lot of energies and time into your work, really concentrating on it. Could be your work or something else in your life. And for your person is the Knight of Cups. This is an offer of love. And for the connection is the Six of Pentacles. This is balance finally happening to the connection. Or the energy of balance is here for you guys to work on it, on the connection. So let's see. Let's clarify the Five of Cups in the recent past for your energy. The High Priestess, the Nine of Swords, and the Sun. This is a very similar to Aries reading. Aries got that in the same position, but is to me feels like a really regret. You might have let go something that that had a lot of potential in it. It was something that made you happy. It was also something that stressed you in the past. But I feel like your intuition was your intuition or your inner guidance was kicking in. Maybe they were whispering to you that that this was it, whatever it was that ended, or that you've let go, or both of you have let go. It had cost you many sleepless nights. It really stressed you and put you up in your head a lot. It was something that you can't forget. And I feel like you've realized that it was that there was a lot of happiness in that situation. And you felt regret towards it. You really feel sad about it. And I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't want I don't want to put it like that you know, repeat it all over and over again, but I'm feeling it with you, and I'm really sorry. But anyway, let's clarify the Tower for your person. Okay, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. I feel like your person had a lot of felt a lot of inner conflict. This could be inner conflict, or it could be also conflict from other people. But I feel like this is more like an inner conflict. They're trying to, it was something that they couldn't find balance on, or they feel imbalance about. I feel like it was, they have this inner conflict about wanting something. They want, at one in one, on one side they want to start something that's really very stable. They want to offer this new beginning, or they want to have this new beginning, or maybe even offer it to someone. But at the same time, they are having conflicting feelings about it. It was something that their soul is rejecting. That's why the conflict is there, and this is bringing them. This is really shaking up their stability. I feel like they don't know what to do. Maybe they didn't do anything. They didn't decide at all. They just let it sit there. So the universe came in to, the universe stepped in to do. If you're not gonna make a decision, of course the universe will decide for you. And whatever happened to that situation, it really brought a lot of change in their life. So let's clarify the Ace of Pentacle for the connection. The Page of Cups, the Emperor, and the Lovers. I feel like there was a new beginning in the recent past, or at least an offer of a new beginning, something that was stable. I feel like whoever made that offer had grown really, really fast, because they came from a page, they became an emperor. It's because they have realized that they do have a lot of love for the other person and for this connection, that this is a really strong bond that they have with the other person. So I feel like they've stepped up and made that offer. So let's clarify the Seven of Wands, in the present situation for your energy. Something flip. The Two of Wands, the Temperance, and the Three of Cups. Okay, so Leo, I feel like did I say Aries earlier? This is a Leo reading, so I'm sorry if I did. I don't remember, but anyway, Leo, there is an energy here of wanting a reconciliation, wanting to go back to someone, but I feel like that's why there is a deceptive there is an energy of deception here, because I feel like you do want this reconciliation, but at the moment you are not really taking an action to make this happen, to make this reconciliation happen. I feel like you are waiting for the right time, or yeah, for divine timing. But there is a deception here, because the right time is not about most of the time. It's really the right time is when we feel like it's the right time, when we choose when the right time is. So, but I don't know, I feel like you are waiting for a sign from the universe, or from the world, or from your person, before you take action. hmm I don't know. You would know. But this is this could be something that you feel you're stuck, or you have no choice about. But I feel like since the temperance is here, I feel like the spirit is telling you that just to go for it, that that the right time is now, that you're not really stuck, that you do decide when the right time is, not to I give up. So you would know. Let me know in the comment if whatever it was. But anyway, let's clarify the Page of Pentacles for your person. Judgment. The Page of Pentacles again. And the Ace of Cups. Oof. It's a really nice energy. There is a lot of love here. Your person has a lot of feels a lot of love for this situation for you. They do love you a lot. This is an overflowing of love, of unconditional love. And they do want stability. I feel like your person is making a decision to open up themselves to you, or to open up to this situation. They're doing it slowly, but maybe they're not showing it, but deep inside there's really a lot of unconditional love here. And I feel like they're making a decision not to, they're making their way through expressing this. Right now they're doing it in small steps, a little, but they're opening up a little. Maybe they're working their way to open up a little. But really there's like a flood of love inside of them. So let's clarify the Magician. I keep up wanting to go back to here. I feel like in this for your energy, the Seven of Swords currently, I feel like also the other thing that you are probably not being truthful about yourself. I feel like you really want this reconciliation to happen, but you are acting as if that you don't. That could also be that shady behavior, pretending to feel something that you don't, because I see that you want it, you're waiting for it, you're waiting for a sign, but you're not really doing anything. So, that's deceptive. Sorry. I don't know why I keep on wanting to go back there. So maybe that's a push for you to do something. So, okay, let's finish. Let's clarify the magician for the connection. We have the Fool, the Magician again, wow, and the Moon. So both of you are manifesting this. Both of you want this, but you guys are not being silent about it. You guys are keeping quiet about it. You're hiding it from each other. But you do both want this. You do both want to take a chance again, take a risk again, and start again. Start again or start something, whichever your case is. But yeah, you both are not showing it. You both have deep emotions for each other, but you're both burying it under the water, or deep inside you. I don't know, guys. Life is short. Why hide your feelings? Just my 2 cents. So, in the immediate future, let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles for you, for your energy. We have the Two of Swords, Death, and the Queen of Pentacles. So I feel like you're burying yourself in your work at the moment, concentrating on your craft or your money, because something has ended for you in the recent past or in the past. It was something that you couldn't decide on. And it has something to do with either your material stability, or another person that you were a person or another person. Take it how it resonates, but it was someone you were very committed to. You had a very long-term commitment with. I feel like you couldn't decide in the past if it was something that you want to end. So I feel like you're burying yourself into your work to avoid making that decision. There is something you need to end, but you're not deciding to end. To me, this looks like you're running away. I'm sorry to say that, but this is how the card is presenting it. So there is a decision that you need to make that you are not making, and you're running away from it by burying yourself into your work. Okay, I'll leave it at that. So let's clarify the Knight of Cups for your person. We have the Hermit, the Queen of Swords, and the Six of Wands. I feel like this your person wants to offer you love, their love. They have a lot of love for you, and I feel like they have realized this within themselves. And they've looked on, I feel like they've looked on this love, not only that they felt this love, they've also looked at it logically. They have turned it upside down in their head, and I feel like there was even some point in their life that they wanted to cut this out from their life, because it could be something that's not making sense to them, for them. But still, the love was there, no matter how they look at it logically. They've reasoned within themselves. Still, the love was there. They feel it. They couldn't deny it. It's there. And it was also what their intuition was telling them, that they do love you, that they still want to work on this and achieve success on this connection. This is something that they feel will give them fulfillment or satisfaction. It's like feeling successful. This would give them the feeling of having attained something in life. So let's clarify the Six of what is this? Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. for the connection. The Knight of Sword, the Seven of Sword, and the Empress. So I feel like in the near future, communication will be happening between the two of you. And through that communication, clarity will be achieved, and this will bring some kind of balance in the situation. But whoever is the feminine here, the divine feminine, because this is the Empress, this is the divine feminine, this is someone who is who knows their worth. This is the one for the other, for their counterpart. This is the catch, what they say, the catch, or this is someone who is who knows their worth and who knows what they deserve, and they might be a bit guarded when the other person approach them. They might even realize that because an Empress doesn't really need anyone. They know they are open for partnership, but you have to meet them at their level. That's what an Empress is. They will not someone is coming as a knight, so I don't know, the Empress will be defensive. They might even turn their back on this, because but they will talk to you, or they will talk to whoever is approaching the Empress. But I don't know if a reconciliation or a union will be happening in the near future. I don't see it here, but I definitely see that balance will be restored in the near future, in this balance, in this connection. So let's see what the angel has for you. Oh, that's not okay. Okay, I'll take two. You have two guidance here. So one is find balance, and the other one is open up. So I guess that speaks for itself. Balance and this shady baby, or you might need to open up to someone so that balance can be brought back into that situation. I feel like you really need to talk. You need to open up. So I don't think I need to say more about that. But let's get you an angel message. Okay. So, Angel Daniel wants you to know that he is the angel of marriage and he is assisting you right now. So find your balance and open up so that balance can be restored or achieved, and the angels are backing you up on this. So Leo, that's what I have for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it resonated for you. If it did resonate for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And see you next week. Bye.